This week, I'm turning this bedroom around from cramped and boring to comfortable and hospitable. If you want to make the biggest profit out of your Airbnb, you need to have continuous 5-star reviews. The best way to get your guests to give your listing a rave review is for them to get a great night's sleep. A comfortable bedroom can make a lasting impression. I want to make a few simple changes to this bedroom to increase the character and style. I found beautiful wide-cut rustic barn board at Home Hardware for $20 a piece. It's stained and ready to be hung and is going to make a great headboard for the bed. The rustic look is subtle and gives this room a cozy feel that goes with the apartment's East Coast theme. Installation is easy. You just need a chop saw, measuring tape, and a nail gun. The grooves on the board make it easy to line up and fit tight to the wall. I'm staggering the board so my seams are not all lined up, just like laying bricks. The accent wall is complete and looks fantastic. Now I'm ready to paint the rest of the room. Painting the bedroom white will really brighten up the space. I carefully selected the white shade I wanted for the basement from the Beauty Tone selection at Home Hardware.
Picking whites can be kind of tricky because they can look different, in here than they do in the space. I think it was the 5 that I liked.
Yeah, there's just like slight little variations in the whites,
Well, I think that when I was looking at it in the apartment that I was kind of going with the 5. Sometimes I'll take the color outside and I'll look at it in the natural light, and then I'll look at it in the store in different places. Whereas this is in a basement, it kind of like the tones look a lot darker when they're even a little bit lower, so.
With a statement wall, the new lighter floor, and the bright white walls, it doesn't feel dingy in this basement bedroom any longer. A comfortable bed, fluffy pillows, and a few textile touches, and this room is ready to go. Clean white linen is a hospitality must, and a few chic decorative pillows and throws add a stylish touch and a pop of color. I have a blanket ladder for guest towels and a geometric shelf for a few succulents, and that's really all this room needs. Oh, maybe a touch of art. The final piece of my master bedroom puzzle are 2 maps I had custom created. One of Halifax and one of the North End neighborhood this apartment is located in. With the bedroom ready for guests, I can breathe easily. I'm one step closer to listing my Airbnb.